Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry Cookmas Day 7. Can't believe it's been a whole week already, but thank you so much for joining me for Cookmas Day 7. For today's Cookmas meal, I'm going to go ahead and do my take on one of my favorites from Outback Steakhouse. I'm going to go ahead and make my take on the Alice Springs chicken. So if you've been to Outback, you should know, of course, they have steaks, but one of my favorite meals from Outback is also the Alice Springs chicken, which is pretty much chicken. Got some bacon, some mushrooms, some cheese, a spicy or Dijon mustard, honey Dijon mustard with chicken tenderloins, and in this case I did add a little bit of onion to that as well because chicken always goes good with onion. So hopefully this recipe sounds good to you guys. If so, please go ahead and leave me that thumbs up. Also drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. We are almost to 2K, guys. I cannot believe the support I've been getting. It is phenomenal. I truly appreciate it, guys. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. But if you still have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, here is my take on the Alice Springs chicken. Again, it's full of that honey mustard sauce with the mushrooms, the bacon. Went ahead and added some onions in there as well. Then you top that all off with cheese. And that's pretty much it. If you've had it at the Outback before, then you definitely know that it is pretty tasty if you do enjoy it. It's a nice combination with the cheese, the bacon, and the mushrooms, and that lovely mustard sauce. If you don't know, mustard goes very well with chicken. You should give it a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget, drop me that comment down below, please. And share this video out. I definitely appreciate that. Again, on the road to 2K, you guys. Thank you so much. If you're not subscribed, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Happy holidays. Bye guys.